Hello, my name is Andrew Cordy.
My name is William James.
My name is Jasparan Singh.
I am Evan Manser.
We are Group 3, and for our Robotic Systems and Control class, we made a wheel-changing robot. Vehicle maintenance can be a time-consuming and laborious task for vehicle owners and mechanics. One of these tasks includes tire rotations. This is where the location of wheels on a vehicle are rotated to increase the lifespan of the vehicle's tires. Picking up and moving the vehicle wheels places strain on a mechanic's body. Robots can be used to reduce this strain and speed up the tire rotation process. The following simulation shows how a robot can be used to pick up, place, and remove a wheel from a vehicle axle. The robot starts from the home position and moves to pick up the wheel. After picking up the wheel, the robot then places the wheel on the wheel studs. The robot then moves back to its home position. From there, the robot moves into position to remove the wheel. It closes the gripper and slides the wheel off the wheel studs. As shown by the video, a robot was able to easily and quickly lift the wheel and place it on the vehicle wheel studs. This is just one example that demonstrates how robots can improve vehicle maintenance processes by reducing maintenance times and the physical strain on mechanics' bodies.